You have been playing a game you cannot win. You give them your time, your energy, and your validation, yet they still pull away. They treat your attention like a cheap commodity. This is not an accident. It is a psychological law encoded in human biology. In this video, I will show you how to invert the power dynamic instantly using the walk-away method, a strategic withdrawal that triggers their biological panic and forces them to chase you. This is not about pretending. It is about rewriting reality. Let's begin. Concept 1. Supply and demand. We value diamonds because they are rare. We ignore water because it is abundant. In your relationship, you have become water. You are freely available, flowing endlessly into their cup. You text back instantly. You explain yourself when they accuse you. You apologize just to keep the peace. You have flooded the market with your attention. And when the market is flooded, the price crashes. When supply is high, value drops to zero. This is basic economics applied to human desire. They don't respect you because you are a guaranteed asset. They know you will be there tomorrow. To make them chase, you must become the diamond. You must create scarcity where there was once abundance. Concept 2. The sun and satellite. Every relationship has a center of gravity. Right now, they are the sun. You are the satellite orbiting their moods, their validation, and their schedule. You wait for their signal to be happy. You wait for their permission to feel secure. Nobody falls in love with a satellite. Satellites are predictable. Satellites are safe. They fall in love with a challenge. To walk away effectively, you must stop orbiting. You don't leave to make them react. That is manipulation, and they will smell it. You leave because you have a better place to be. You leave because their terms are no longer acceptable. You must become your own gravitational center. The moment you stop moving toward them, physics takes over. Concept 3. The wall of silence. When you stop contacting them, their first reaction will be relief. Do not panic. This is the relief phase. They think, finally, space. Finally, he's off my back. They have trained you to come crawling back. But when day 4 comes, and day 10 ... double quotes ... and you are still silent, silence becomes loud. Silence acts as a vacuum. Human brains are wired to solve puzzles. By removing attention, you become a puzzle they cannot solve. They will fill that silence with insecurity. Why isn't he calling? Did I lose him? Their imagination begins to work against them. They start to idealize you again. Their imagination is your greatest weapon. You force them to obsess because the loop is not closed. The execution. How to do this without failing. Step 1. No announcements. Do not text "I'm leaving." No goodbye letters. Announcing your departure is a cry for help. It is weak. True power is silent. Just vanish. Step 2. The digital blackout. Do not watch their stories. Do not like their posts. If you watch, you are still a fan in the audience. Become a ghost. Step 3. The mirror test. This is where most men fail. After 2 weeks of silence, they will reach out. They will send a crumb, a text that says hey or a random meme. This is a test. They are checking if you are still hooked. If you respond instantly to low effort, you lose. Do not respond. Only respond to high effort investment. Make them earn your voice. When you are willing to walk away, you hold the power. If they chase, you reset the terms. If they don't, you escape to trap. You have the map. Now take the step. But be warned. The dynamic shifts violently. When you walk away, they will not just let you go. When the supply is cut, the predator panics. They will return with a new face. They will promise change and morph into who you wanted. Do not be fooled. Do not shake the hand that stabbed you just because it holds a flower. You must keep your walls high. Indifference is your fortress. Let them pound on the gates. You are no longer a subject begging for scraps. You are the king of your own reality. A king does not chase, a king builds. Build your body, build your finances. Burn the bridge. The game is over. You stopped playing by their rules. And because you stopped playing, you won. If you are ready to rule your reality, subscribe.